Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send someone money using Revolut. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the transfer button located at the bottom center of the screen. After that, tap on the search bar at the top. Here, you can search for the person you want to send money to using their name, rev tag, phone number, or email address. If the person already has a Revolut account, their profile will appear in the search results. Simply tap on their profile to continue. If they do not already have a Revolut account, you can still send money using their phone number or email address. Next, tap on Send Money and enter the amount you want to send. After entering the amount, tap the Send button to continue. Depending on your security settings, Revolut may ask you to verify the transaction using a text message code, Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Complete the verification process to confirm the payment. Once the transfer is completed, you will see a confirmation screen showing the payment details and recipient information. That's it. That is how you can send someone money using Revolut. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.